Hi, so in this video we are going to learn about the BODMAS. What is BODMAS? BODMAS actually helps us to find the sequence of operations which we have to perform while solving any expression. BODMAS is actually a short form for this. This is B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So if you have an expression which has multiple operations to be done, then you have to prioritize those operations in this order. First you have to solve bracket, then you have to solve off, then you can perform division and multiplication at the same time. After that you have to perform addition and subtraction, and this addition and subtraction also you can perform simultaneously. Off can be power off, like 2 to the power of 2 or 4 to the power of 2, and it can be percentage of or percent of. Say if you want to find 25% of 1000, so it will be 25 by 100 multiplied by 1000. These two zeros will cancel these two zeros of 1000 and this will be 250. So you can say 25% of 1000 is 250. And then there is fraction of. So this is like 2/3 of 75. So this will be equal to 2 by 3 of 75. That means 2 by 3 multiplied by 75. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 25 into 2 is 50. 2/3 of 75 means you divide 75 into 3 equal parts, which will be 25, 25 and 25, and take 2 out of it. So 25 and 25 will be 50. So this off can be either power off, percentage off, or fraction off. So now let us take few problems and see how to use this rule of BODMAS while solving the problems. So first problem, as you can see, is here. It has a bracket open, then 4 multiplied by 6 plus 6 divided by 6, bracket closed, then this divided by 5, and then plus 5. So this is a problem where we have almost all the operations which needs to be done. So we have to follow this order of BODMAS. That means we have to solve this bracket first. But inside this bracket, again we will have this multiplication, addition, and this division. So what we have to do? So we have division, which is over here, and then we have multiplication, which is over here, and these two are in the same color. That means we can perform this multiplication and this division simultaneously, and after that we have to perform the addition, and that will help us in solving this bracket. So inside the bracket also we have to follow this priority. So 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Then I'll note down this addition sign, so plus, and then 6 divided by 6 will give us 1, then bracket closed, then this division sign, 5 plus 5. Still we have to solve this bracket. So 24 plus 1 is 25, then this division sign, and then 5, and then plus 5. So first we have to perform this division because division has higher priority than addition, which is over here. So 25 divided by 5 will give you 5, this plus, and this 5. So this will be equal to 10. So the solution of this expression, or the value of this expression, is actually 10. So second expression is bracket open, then 16% of 750 plus 30 divided by 50. Let's try to solve it. First is bracket. So we have to solve this bracket first, but inside the bracket again we have to follow the same priority rules. So this much is 16% of 750. So this has to be solved first. So bracket open, then 16% of 750 can be written as 16 by 100 multiplied by 750. Then we have plus 30, then bracket closed, then this division sign, and then 50. So 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 10, and 4 5s are 20. 25 3s are 75, and then this 0. So this becomes 4 multiplied by 30 plus 30, and then divided by 50. So 4 multiplied by 30 is 120 plus 30, and then divided by 50 because we have to solve this multiplication first, and after that only we can perform the addition. So 120 plus 30 is 150 divided by 50. This can also be written as 150 divided by 50. 0 will cancel this 0 and 5 3s are 50. So we can write over here the value of this expression is actually equal to 3, right? And now let's take another expression and try to solve it. So the third expression is 1 by 2 of 2/3 of 150. Here, this is actually half of this much. So it can be read as half of 2/3 of 150. That means we have to solve this 2/3 of 150 first, and then we have to take half of. So this can be written as half of 2/3 of 150 can be written as 2 by 3 multiplied by 150. So 3 5s are 15 and 0, and this can be written as half of 2 times 50 is 100, and half of 100 is 1 by 2 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 50. 2 5s are 10 and 0. Right? This is one way of solving, or another way is you replace both these off by multiplication sign. So this can be written as 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3 multiplied by 150. So this 2 will cancel this 2, 3 5s are 15 and 0. So here also you will get answer as 50. Yeah, this is systematic step-by-step method of solving this expression, and this you can treat as a shortcut. And now let's solve the next expression. So the next expression, or the fourth expression, is 1 by 4 plus 6 by 7 multiplied by 140 divided by 2 to the power 2. So how to solve this? This is a mixed fraction. Then we have 6 by 7 multiplied by 140, then we have divided by 2 to the power of 2. So this off needs to be solved first, but simultaneously we can convert this mixed fraction in the form of improper fraction. So 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 divided by 4 plus 6 by 7 multiplied by 140 divided by 2 to the power 2 is 2 multiplied to itself 2 times, which can be written as 4. So divided by 4. And then we can solve this division and multiplication at the same time. 5 by 4 I'll write as it is. Then we have 6 by 7 multiplied by 140. And this divided by 4 can be written as multiplied by the reciprocal of 4, which is 1 by 4. And now 7 2s are 14 and 0. And then we have 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So this can be written as 5 by 4 plus 6 5s are 30. So either you can take LCM and solve it, but I would prefer to go back to its original form. This fraction can be written as 1 by 4 plus 30. So 1 by 4 is actually 1 plus 1 by 4, and then this plus 30. So this 30 plus 1 is 31, 1 by 4. This will be the result of this expression. So the fifth problem is 50% of 40% of 400 plus 10% of 630. This expression can actually be divided into two parts, and these two parts or two terms are separated by this plus sign. So we can solve this and this simultaneously. So 50% of 40% of 400 can be written as 50 by 100 multiplied by 40 by 100 multiplied by 400, and then we can write this plus sign, and 10% of 630 can be written as 10 by 100 multiplied by 630. These two zeros will cancel these two zeros, and this 0 will cancel this 0, and this 0 will cancel this 0, and this will cancel this. This whole can be written as 5 multiplied by 4, and then we have got one more 4 over here. And then we have plus, and here we have got 63 multiplied by 1, which can be written as 63. And now if I solve, 5 2s are 20, 20 multiplied by 4 is 80 plus 63. This will give you 140. So the result of this expression, or the value of this expression, is actually 143. So I think we have solved sufficient examples based on BODMAS. And one more thing I have to tell you. which is if you have all kind of mixed brackets, like, so there are actually three kinds of brackets, which are parentheses, then you have braces or curly brackets, and then you have box brackets or square brackets. So first you have to solve this, then you can solve this, and then you have to solve this. So first priority is given to parentheses, and second to the braces, and third priority is given to the box brackets or square brackets. So I think that's all for the BODMAS, or how to solve an expression when you have multiple operations or multiple variety of brackets. So for many more interesting videos, keep watching Math Smart, and bye bye till then.